Hi, you guys. I'm joining you from Mountain Thunder, which is a coffee farm here in Hawaii. We are about to do a tour of the coffee farm and learn all about coffee and how it's made and drink some amazing coffee. So I'm hopping on, you guys, to share with y'all some tips around time blocking. When you guys hop on, say what's up. Give me a little emoji. Let me know how you're feeling. So it is rainy here, but it is warm. What do you think the temp is, babe?
I'd say 70, about 70.
It's about 70. So pretty. We're like literally in the middle of the rainforest.
65.
65. Hey, Pam. How's it going?
70. I was right.
Hi, Vera. Oh, it's 70. So it's 70 degrees, rainy. I'll show you guys again. We're at a coffee farm in Kona, or near Kona. We're about to do a tour and learn all about coffee. So I'm popping on a little late because I couldn't get a Wi-Fi connection with Chris's hotspot. It wasn't working, so I had to come to the little, wherever we are, little hut here and get a Wi-Fi connection. So anyway, I wanted to pop on and just give you guys an opportunity to ask questions. If you have any questions about time blocking, setting up your schedule, anything around getting organized with your schedule and being more efficient with your time, increasing your productivity. If you have a question, please put it in the comments because it can help everybody. Chances are if you have a question, it's something that other people are wondering about too. So go ahead and ask if you have a question. And in the meantime, I'm going to share with you guys something that I spoke about on a Facebook Live interview that I did last week. And that was what can you do to start getting organized with your schedule. One of the things that I shared last week was to make sure that you get yourself organized with one system that you're going to use. So a lot of people are using Google Calendar, they're using their phone calendar, they also have a planner, and they have stuff kind of all over the place. So one of my tips is to make sure that you streamline it by bringing it all together in one place, which is why I love the paper planners, because you can put sticky notes in there, you can put your to-do list in there, you can put your work stuff, your personal stuff, and really blend it all together. So that is my first tip. The second tip is to, what I hear a lot of people say is they don't know how to fit it all in, all the things. They're overwhelmed with all the things that they have to do and they don't know how to build it into their schedule. So the first thing that I say to do with that is to sit down and get really clear about what your goals are. And so when you know what your goals are, then you can determine what your priorities are, because the biggest problem that most people have is they don't have specific priorities. They have everything's a priority. All the people in their life, their priorities become yours, and then you're taking on things, you have obligations, you're taking on things that really aren't serving you or growing your business or growing you personally, and you're saying yes to things. So if you're a people pleaser, give me a little thumbs up that you're a people pleaser, because that's such a common thing that people have, is they say yes to too many things and then they don't know how to fit it all in because there's just too many things that are being placed as a priority. So really your priorities are only a few things. It's a handful of things. Hi, Darla. Hey, Darla, if you have a question, go ahead and pop it in the comments and I'll answer it. I want to bring someone on live with me if you guys have a question that I can help answer, because chances are if you have a question, other people do too. So be brave and let me know what you're needing help with around time blocking and organizing your life and your schedule. So back to priorities. So when we place urgency on more than a handful of things, it makes sense that we're not going to be able to fit them all in, right? And it's going to feel overwhelming and the plate is overflowing with things. So getting really specific about your goals, and then from those goals, choosing the handful of priorities that really do need to be built into your schedule. That is where you're going to put your energy, into those handful of 3 or 4 things in your life that really need your attention, that you're going to build into your schedule. And this is what I do with my coaching, is I help people determine what are the urgent things that need to be put in the schedule. Oftentimes it's relationship stuff. Oftentimes it's time blocking time specifically for power hours, or getting really, really in action around your business. a lot of people are dealing with financial hardships, right? And so they need to make sure that they're building in, more than anything, time that they're building their business, and not just, doing personal development and reading the books and listening to the podcasts and watching the videos, but actual income producing activities. So that becomes the number one priority for people who are struggling financially, is that we have to make sure that we're setting aside time for those things, right? So if nobody has a question, I am going to wrap this up. I just wanted to bring you guys a little tip to help you start moving forward in getting organized with your schedule. If anyone has a question, again, just pop it in the comments and I'll answer it for you. Anything around time blocking, productivity, how to fit it all in, anything that maybe you're dealing with personally that you would love some advice about, feel free to pop it in the comments. If you're watching this on the replay, send me a message and just let me know that you watched the replay. And then let me know if there's anything that I can help you with, because I'd be happy to cover your question in one of my stories or create a Facebook or an Instagram live around it. So don't be shy, you guys. I'm here to help you guys and give you tips and help you be more productive with your schedule and your business and your growth and your income and all of it. So I'll give you guys one last little look at this farm where we are. We're about to do a tour of, it's called Mountain Thunder, and we are literally like in the rainforest. It's raining. It's so pretty, but it's about 70 degrees, and we're just getting ready to go on a tour and drink a bunch of coffee. So anyways, I'm gonna sign off, you guys. If you have any questions or you need help with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. All right, you guys have a beautiful Tuesday, and I will see you soon. Bye.